In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reload or recover your Steam Cloud saves. If you've ever found yourself scrambling to retrieve important game data, you're not alone. With these easy steps, I'll guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started by opening up your Steam application. If you've already got it running, that's great, but if not, just go ahead and launch it from your desktop or start menu. Once Steam is open, you're going to want to make sure you're logged in. So if you're not already logged in, look for the login button on your screen and click it. This will prompt you to enter your account name and password. Be sure to double check your login information to avoid any hiccups. After entering your credentials, hit the sign in button and you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your library. This is where all your games are neatly lined up and ready for action. In your library, scroll through and select the game for which you need to reload or recover the cloud saves. This is important as each game can be set individually when it comes to cloud saving options. If you encounter any issues, such as a game not being updated, you might notice a cloud icon. Clicking on this icon can often initiate a sync process, bringing your game saves up to date. Many times this simple step can resolve minor discrepancies between your local saves and the cloud version. In some cases, right-clicking on the game within your library offers another path. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you should select Properties, head into the General tab, and make certain that the Steam Cloud option is enabled. This setting is crucial for ensuring your game progress is synced and safely backed up on Steam servers. Should you find that these steps haven't solved your problem, there is one last method to consider. Return to the top menu of your Steam client and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Restore Game Backup. This option allows you to reload or recover cloud saves that might otherwise seem lost. It's a reliable way to regain access to your previous data and continue your gaming adventures from where you left off. Remember, having your Steam Cloud enabled is a powerful safeguard against the loss of progress, especially if you're switching between devices or have experienced a technical glitch. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to manage your cloud saves effectively. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.